Austin Bryce, the science guys.
Why, hello there.
Hello yourself.
He's Austin.
And he's Bryce.
And we're the science guys.
When we're not cooking hot dogs over Bunsen burners,
Or watching Breaking Bad on AMC.
Sundays at 8, 7 Central.
we're teaching classes on the tools of science.
Let's go.
What's this? Is this how you use this? How about this? Wrong again. Yes, I'd like to make a call. You're right, class. What I was actually misusing is actually called a mortar and a pestle. They're used throughout the modern world to crush and grind substances into something easier to use. But in science, it's mainly used for making powders for experiments. The mortar is traditionally made of a hard substance such as stone, metal, wood, or porcelain, while the pestle is sometimes a porcelain or stone tip with a wooden handle. As you can see, this one is made of all porcelain. Let me demonstrate quickly. Let's say you'd be doing an experiment on acid versus indigestion tablets. You would first put the tablet in the mortar, then continue with the mixing motion while applying pressure to the substance. Put your back into it if you need it. All done. Always make sure to wash with soap and water once you're done. The mortar and pestle have been shown to have been used over 6,000 years ago by Native Americans to grind up corn. In fact, they have been used all over the world to pulverize spices, food, and medicines. The tools are even mentioned in the Bible. They are also known as the apothecary grinder because of their use in pharmacies. A more everyday example of a mortar and pestle may be like a colander and pestle people use to make jams. But enough about me and my tools. Let's go check out Austin. Hey, what you doing over here?
Oh, hey, nothing. Just playing hangman.
That's not what that's for.
You're right, it's not. This scientific tool is actually known as the ring stand, or sometimes referred to as the retort stand. It dates all the way back to 1865. There are many accessories for the ring stand, such as this here iron ring. The purpose of the ring stand is to hold items being heated by the Bunsen burner. But of course, that couldn't be effective without its little buddy here, the iron ring. The iron ring, sometimes called the support ring, is used to stabilize flasks or other tools, such as the beaker, mounted to the ring stand. An everyday example that's similar to the ring stand would be a fire ring with a cooking grate. They are similar because you can both heat things up over the fire without having to burn your hand or hold it. Now let's see it in action. Wow, look at that steam. None of that would have been possible without the ring stand and the iron ring. Without that, you'd have to hold it with your bare hand. Golly, that's hot. Gee willikers, that hurts. Remember, always clean up once you're done. Well, that was easy. And remember, if you have any owies, like I do here, always make sure you take care of them right away. Ow! And remember, folks, we're not always scientists.
But when we are,
We're the science guys.
remember to tune in next week when we study the effects of acid on human skin.
Ow.
Bye.
Alright, farmed it.